So student, today we will solve question number 4 of exercise 2.5. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. The first question is that x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. So before solving the question we need to know the identity of addition of three variable whole square. So identity everyone know. Identity I have taught you or I told you about x plus y plus z whole square. So identity is that x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus yz plus zx. So this identity we will use to expand this problem. So we can use the identity, this one identity here. If you will write x plus 2y plus 4z whole square, or identity is given before your eyes. X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 bracket xy plus yz plus zz. So similar problem you are having x plus 2y plus 4z, but there is a difference, here y or here 2y, z here 4z. So only in place of y or z you will put 2y or 4z like that. So we will use the identity. So how to use identity? That is x, that is y, that is z. So first one x square, that means x to the power whole square, then y square, so 2y to the power whole square, then z square is equal to 4z whole square, then plus 2xy means x into 2y, so x into 2y plus yz means y or z, 2y or into 4z, and plus last one zx, so z or x, 4z or into x. Now next step, open the square, x square plus 2y square, 2 2s are 4, or y to the power 2 or y whole square is equal to y square, plus 4 square is equal to 16, then z square plus 2 x into 2y, so it will become 2xy plus 4 into 2, 4 will be multiplied to 4 2s are 8, or y into z, yz plus 4zx, 4zx. Then after we will write x square plus 4y square plus 16z square, then multiply 2 inside the bracket, 2 2s are 4xy plus 2 8 ja 16yz plus 2 4 ja 8z. So this is the solution or expansion of given problem into following the identity x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So again we can understand it is the answer of the problem, but here x is equal to x, y is equal to 2y or z is equal to 4z square. So similar, we have used the similar identity. In place of y we have to put 2y, or in place of z we have to put 4z. So it is the solution of the problem. Students, our next problem is minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square. So again we can use identity as previous question. Identity was that identity x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus yz plus zx. So similar identity we will use in this question because there are three variables x, y and z whole square we have to find out. So how to use this identity? Before solving the question we have to make it standardized. So how we will make it standardized? So we will write minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square. So we can write like this. in bracket we will like 2x, then plus 5y, then plus minus 3z whole square. So we have converted minus 2x into minus 2x, but in the bracket plus 5y remains same, or minus 3z plus minus 3z, because we are having the formula in addition only, x plus y plus z whole square. So we have changed the equation in the form of x, y, z. So suppose it is x, it is y, or it is z. So x plus y plus z whole square, we can apply the formula here. So how we will apply the formula? So x square means 2x minus 2x to the whole square, then 5y whole square, then minus 3z whole square, then 2 xy. What is xy? X is minus 2x, or y is 5y, plus yz, that means 5y, and z is minus 3z. Take with the sign, because we have to apply the formula only for addition, not for subtraction. So plus zx, so z minus 3z, or x again minus 2x, or bracket close. Now this right hand side we are using here x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus yz plus zx. We have applied the formula. Now minus 2x whole square, minus 2 square, minus 2 into minus 2, 4x square, 5 5s are 25y square, then 3 3s are 9, minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9, 9z square plus 2. Then minus 2 into 5, minus 10, or xy will be multiplied, or product of xy here. Then plus or minus sign, if we will pull minus sign here, so we will get minus into plus is equal to again minus. So 5 3s are 15yz, and minus it will be multiplied, it will become plus. So plus will be multiplied to plus, so there is plus sign. 3 2s are 6zx. Now again next step, so 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square plus 2. 2 will be multiplied inside the bracket. So 2 tens are minus 20 xy. Then 2 will be multiplied inside. So minus, if you take, so you can take here directly minus sign. Minus will be multiplied plus. So we will get minus. Again we will get minus. 15 2s are 30 yz, or plus will be multiplied to plus. So 6 2s are 12 zx. It is the solution of the problem. It is the expansion of given problem, or it is the answer of your problem. So we have assumed here that is x, that is y, or that is z. So we have used x plus y plus z whole square, that is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy yz zx. So it is x, it is y, or it is z here, because it is there is a multiple coefficient of x 2, coefficient of y 5, or coefficient of z 3. So we have to take it, we have to assume it whole. It is whole inside the bracket x, y, and z. We have used to solve the problem. Students, our next problem, question number 4, 6, 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 to the whole square. Again we have to solve this problem by using the previous identity. What is our previous identity? We have used in two problems, so you have learned it. X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus yz plus zx. So again we will use the same identity for solving this question. So how to solve this question? So here we will rewrite again the question. 1 by 4a plus minus 1 by 2b. So we have taken sign, but we are using here plus sign. Plus or minus will be multiplied. So again you get minus. Or here plus 1 whole square. So we understand that it is x, it is y, or it is z. So x is equal to 1 by 4a, y is equal to minus 1 by 2b, or z is equal to 1 here. So same identity we are using for solving the question. So how to solve x square? X square, in place of x square we will write 1 by 4a whole square, then y square minus 1 by 2b whole square, then z 1 whole square, then 2xy, x is equal to 1 by 4a, or y is equal to minus 1 by 2b, then plus yz means minus 1 by 2b, or z is equal to 1, and again we have used plus sign, and zx, so z is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 4a. So we have written all the variable into the bracket. There is no need to use multiplication sign or multiply. So because bracket indicates toward the product of two numbers, so there is no need to write cross sign or product sign or multiplying sign. So now 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, or a into a whole square, then plus minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2, 2 times it will be multiplied, or b into b square, plus 1 square, 1 into 1 whole square, or 1 whole square is equal to always 1, then 2. Now multiply a into b, so ab, or minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 2 will be multiplied, a be multiplied separately, because a, b are variable or these are constant. Now again plus or minus will become minus here. So 1 by 2b, 1 by 2b will be multiplied 1, so nothing will be changed. So we will write 1 by 2b, plus 1 by 4a will be multiplied to 1, so nothing will be changed, 1 by 4a, and close the bracket. Now 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, that means 1 ja 1 or 4 ja 16a square, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, or plus will be multiplied to plus, so 1 ja 1 or 2 ja 4b square, then plus 1 or 2, 1 by 4, 1 into minus 1, so sign will be here minus 1 upon 4 to the 8ab, or minus 1 by 2b, or plus 1 by 4a. Now multiply 2 inside the bracket and open the bracket, so 1 by 16a square plus 1 by 4b square plus 1, or 2 will be multiplied inside the bracket. You can't add here 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. No, first you have to multiply inside the bracket, then if you got any constant, so you can add with 1. So but here 2 will be multiplied, so minus into plus, plus into minus 2 1 ja 2, 2 by 8ab, again 2 1 ja 2, again minus, plus or minus will be multiplied, so minus 2 1 ja 2 upon 2b, or plus will be multiplied to plus, so you will get plus 2 1 ja 2 upon 4a. Now last step of the problem, 1 by 16a square plus 1 by 4b square plus 1 minus 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. So what is remains here? 1 by 4ab, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, so 1b, 1 into b, or plus 2 by 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, so 1 by 2a. So it is the answer of given problem. So such kind, or using such identity, you have to solve the problem, but you have to remember that the question is asked in form of minus sign, so you will have to convert it into plus, and inside the bracket you can write minus 1 by 2. So when you will multiply plus or minus, so again you will get minus sign. So it is the format which we have to apply before solving the question, only using one identity. No other identity you have to use for solving this kind of question. Students, we will try to solve question number 5 of exercise 2.5. Question number 5 2. Factorize 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. So as we know, the identity x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So we can reversing the side, or left hand side can be converted into right hand side, or right hand side can be converted into left hand side. So this right hand side we can write here, or this left hand side we can write here, because we have to factorize this whole equation into the form of x plus y plus z whole square. So we converted, we have got right hand side, or we have to convert right hand side into left hand side. So we have reversed the identity x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. You can also take common. So outside of the bracket you can write 2xy plus yz plus zx is equal to x plus y plus z whole square. So now we will write the problem again here. 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. Now our target is converted. This equation we have to convert it into the form of x plus y plus z whole square. So for it we will try to convert the coefficient of x, y square and z square in the form of whole square. So root 2 whole square is equal to 2, or x whole square is equal to x square. So we can write 2x square is equal to root 2x to the whole square, or here y square, so simply we can write y to the whole square. Now we can write 8 is equal to 2 root 2 whole square. So how it is? So we can find out. If we will find out root 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. We can make the pair. So that 2 will come out from the under root of 2 root 2. So under root 8 is equal to 2 root 2. So we can write 2 root 2 z whole square. When you will square 2 root 2 whole square, so you will get 2 square is equal to 4, or root 2 square is equal to 2. So 4 2s are 8. Again you will get 8z square. Now plus 2xy, 2 into x into y we are doing here. So 2 into x into y. So 2 we have written x root 2x plus into y. So 2xy. Then after 2yz. So write down 2. Y is again y, or z. Z is equal to 2 root 2 z. You will write here. Then plus 2. Z again 2 root 2 z, and x again root 2 x. So we have converted the equation in standard form x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx is equal to, we have to convert now it into the form of x plus y plus z whole square. Now we are having the problem, one kind of problem here. We are having minus sign here or minus sign here. So we have to satisfy the equation to convert it into minus. But we are having here plus. If we will multiply, so we will get 2 root 2 xy. But here minus sign, or here plus sign. So we need to additional multiply minus sign here. If we will do here minus root 2 x square, so minus will become plus, or root 2 is equal to 2x square. So now we can use minus sign here, root 2x and again root 2x. So that will become 2 2s are 4 root 2 yz, or this one is 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 xy, or 2 2s are 4 or root 2 4 2s are 8. So 8zx or minus we will get. So that means if we converted it in the standard form or in the form of identity, so we will have to compare from previous term we are getting that or not. So here we are getting the previous term. तो हमारा मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है कि ये अगर आप यहाँ पर इसको स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं तो इसको फिर से कैलकुलेट करके देखें कि जो पिछली टर्म है या पिछली इक्वेशन है वही आ रही है कि नहीं. अब देखिए आप यहाँ पर यू आर लुकिंग हियर माइनस विल कम हियर, minus or plus will become minus here, or minus or plus again will become minus here. Here 2y 2 2 are 4 root 2 yz. So it is same plus. So if we will multiply x, or we will use minus sign with root 2x, so we will get the condition is in the result we are getting. Or if you don't want to do, so you can multiply minus y here or minus 2 root 2 z here. So you will get another solution of this problem. But we are solving this. So again we are having the standard form x square y square z square plus minus 2 root 2 xy 4 root 2 yz and minus 8x. So we can write it in the form of root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z whole square, because when we are solving the identity, so what we are getting x plus y plus z whole square. So here x is what? X is root 2x, so that is x here. So in place of x we will write this one, or in place of y we can write this, or in place of z we can write 2 root 2z. So we have converted the equation minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z square. Or now we can, square means minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2. So similarly we are having root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole square. So we can write the equation like this: root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z in one bracket, or again we will write root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z. So square means we have written the number 2 times, so it is the product of number, same number 2 times. So it may be the answer of given solution. So it is the answer of given question or given equation. Students, now we are solving the problem factorize 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. So as like previous question, we are having the identity, same identity, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx is equal to, we have to convert this equation into the standard form of or identity of x plus y plus z whole square. So we can write, we again copied the problem, 4x square plus 9y square plus 16zx z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz, or we are trying to convert it into the form of x to the whole square. So we can write 4 under root 4 or 2x square is equal to 2 to the 4 or x square. We get 2x to the whole square which is equal to 4x square. Now 9y 3 into y, 3y whole square, that means 3 3 is a 9 or y square. We get of 4 square into z square, so 16 z square. That means we are doing the under root of 4x square, 9y square and 16 z square to convert it into the form of whole square, because we are having the formula x square plus y square plus z square. Now we are having plus 2xy, so we will write plus 2 and x is 2x we have written, and y we have written 3y. So 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. You will get 12xy here. Again plus 2yz. Y is equal to 3y and z is equal to 4z. So 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24yz. But here minus sign or we are having plus sign. So we have to do something extra to make it into minus sign. So we will try to convert. After that, plus 2zx. So 2 we have written, then z 4z or x 2x. Now we have to convert both the term into minus, last two terms, last one or previous one, second last one. We have to convert both the terms into minus. So what we do? We are looking here. In this equation we are having y, or in this equation we are having z. So z is common in both the equation. So we can apply the minus sign in z or here z. So minus 4z, so that will become minus, or it is also become minus. Or what we have to do here, minus also, minus 4z whole square. But if we will squaring minus 4 square, so minus 4 square is equal to minus 4z square is equal to minus 4z into minus 4z. So 4 4 16, or minus minus will become the product of minus into minus is equal to plus, and z into z square. So we will get 16z square, same as. So if we are squaring of any negative number, so definitely we will get positive 1. So now the equation is converted into standard form. Now we can write, or we can also observe that equation is equal to the previous one or not. So now we will write 2x plus 3y minus, or plus minus 4z to the whole square, because the solution of this equation is equal to x plus y plus z whole square. So in place of x we have written 2x, in place of x we have written 2x, or in place of y we have written 3y, or in place of z we have written minus 4z. Now we will solve. So we will get 2x plus 3y minus or plus into, so that will become minus into plus into minus, so minus 4z whole square. So what is the meaning of whole square? We will write the equation 2 times minus 4z, or 2x plus 3y minus 4z, or that is the answer of given question. It is the answer of given question. So these are little difficult question, but we will apply the identity, or how to convert the identity into x plus y plus z whole square. That is the most important thing during solving such kind of problem. Students, now we are trying to solve question number 6. 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. So as we know, the identity x plus y to the whole cube, that is the formula or identity, x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy, or under the bracket, inside the bracket, x plus y. So in place of x plus y we are having 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. So we again write it 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. So here 3 by 2x is similar to x, or 1 is similar to y. Now the equation become x plus y whole cube. So we have written again the equation 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. So how we will expand it? In the form of x cube y cube plus 3xy x plus y. So in place of x we are having 3 by 2x. So you will write x cube. In place of x cube you will write 3 by 2x to the whole cube. Then y is 1. So 1 to the whole cube. Then plus 3xy. So 3 is equal to x. What is x? 3 by 2x. We will written in bracket. And y is equal to 1 here. So 3 root 3 by 2x into 1, or again x plus y. So we will write again 3 by 2x plus 1. Now we will solve the question again, or next step, 3 by 2 whole cube. 3 by 2 whole cube means 3 into 3 into 3, or 2 into 2 into 2, or x to the power cube. It will become x cube. Or 1 to the power q is always 1, and 3 3s are 9 by 2x, or we will write the bracket again. If you will multiply with 1, so nothing will be changed. 3 3s are 9 by 2x, and 3 by 2x plus 1. So Again in next step, 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 upon 2 2s are 4 2s are 8x cube plus 1 plus, now multiply inside the bracket. So 9 by 2x will be multiplied to 3 by 2x, and 9 by 2x again multiply with 1. So there is no effect, so we will get 9 by 2x into 1. Or here we will write 9 by 2x into 3 by 2x. We can write, if you like, write inside the bracket. So we will get 27 upon 8x cube plus 1. Now 9 3s are 27, 27, or 2 2s are 4, or x into x, x is square. Then 9 by 2x will be multiplied to 1, so nothing will be changed. So we will get 27 by 8x cube plus 1 plus 27 by 4 x square plus 9 by 2x, or it is the answer of given question. So we will write here that is equal to, in last step we can write 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube, which is equal to 27 by 8x cube, or it is the answer of given problem, or it is the expansion or expand form of 3 by 2x plus 1.